In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save time and effort by using the batch plot feature in AutoCAD. Wherever you are working on a large set of drawings for a project or need to print multiple layouts at once, batch plotting is an absolute game changer. As you see here, we have many drawings like floor plans, elevation, section, and even detailed drawings for our project. Our aim is to publish or print all of them at once, either to our physical printer or convert them to a PDF, without having to go forth and back every time. As you see here, to do so, we need to have our project arranged into layouts. If I click on A100, which is my first layout, I have already a drawing assigned to it. If you don't know how to create layouts, I will drop a link in the description below to one of my tutorials where in details I explain how to create layouts and why they are important and useful to do so. Back to our tutorial. So, after we have arranged all our drawings into layouts, right-click on any of the layouts and find Select All Layouts. Then again, on any layout, right-click and this time find Publish Selected Layouts. So, this dialog here pops up. The only thing we have here to decide is either choose our printer or we want to publish to a PDF for our tutorial. As you see here, all the drawings are arranged in the same order as we have arranged our layouts. If everything is okay and you have chosen PDF, hit Publish. The final step is to choose the destination where we want to our PDF to have saved. In my case, I choose Desktop and name it Batch Plot PDF 01 and then Select. So when the plot and publish job is completed, we get this yellow box here, which means all of our drawings have been either printed by our physical printer or, as we have chosen for this tutorial, converted to a PDF. Now all remaining is we need to go to the destination we have decided to save our PDF, double click, and as you see, we have all of our drawings one by one converted into sheets and merged into one PDF. That was for our today's tutorial on how to use batch plotting in AutoCAD. If you learned something, and please consider to like and subscribe to our channel. And also, if you have any questions for me, please let me know in the comment section. I'm more than happy to answer them. See you in our next tutorial. Goodbye.